Hey everybody, here we have a Lockwood 12150. It's rated 6 on the security rating. It's a pretty tough lock to pick, I do say so. It's a 5-pin lock.
I say you're more like an emu school for scouts.
It's double locking. It's not ball bearing. It's got plastic coating, plastic shrouding. It's not metal. Brass body.
The best way to watch movies at home ever.
Like a blast of hydration to your face. New Schick Hydro, a water-activated gel that hydrates your skin as you shave and lasts up to twice as long as ordinary strips, while 5 blades of skin guards smooth the skin to reduce irritation. It's the best shave for your skin. The new Schick Hydro, for your skin.
I rode in the gang. They left me to die after I'd been shot. You can't train down. This is America. Lying, cheating, degenerate, and prosperous. It's you or me. The way I see it, might as well be you.
There it is, Lockwood 12150.
Why can't we go somewhere else?
I like to hear that sound. Oh, locked it back up. Oh, there's the key for it. As always, peace out until next time, people.